Hey, what is up everyone? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to file a Schedule C form on TurboTax. So let's get right to it. Basically, the Schedule C is a self-employment form, and to get to it, it's pretty easy. As you can see here, I'm on my TurboTax dashboard, and to get to TurboTax, it's pretty easy. Simply go to turbotax.com, then create an account or simply log into your existing account. And then from the menu on the left here, go to Federal, where you can see all your federal tax information. Now go to Wages and Income, and then go here to Self-Employment Income and Expenses. I have started adding it, but I haven't finished it, so you can add or edit it here. Or if you don't find it right here, simply go to the search here at the top, and then search for Schedule C. Okay, and then you can jump to Schedule C right here, which will get you to the same page that we are on. Now, here you want to click on Add or Edit. And here you can see that it includes here like freelancers, independent contractors, on-demand service agents, or small or home-based businesses. So let's go ahead and then continue. So did you have any self-employment income or expense? Let's say no. And then go ahead and continue with the wizard in order to file your Schedule C.